Can a star really sneeze and make Earth feel sick? Well, kinda. When a star like our Sun releases a powerful burst of energy called a solar flare, it can send waves of charged particles speeding toward Earth. These solar storms can mess with our planet's magnetic field, disrupting satellites, power grids, and even communication systems. Imagine no GPS or internet for days. So while stars can't literally make Earth sick, their sneezes can definitely cause some major disruptions. Pretty wild, right? Stay tuned for more cosmic surprises, and don't forget to subscribe.